Alright, look at those coals, getting them burned down nice. Get some heat going. I think we might make some oatmeal. Get some water in a cup on that stove. Alright, we got the Lixada cup pot and put some water in there. Not sure, it says half a cup for oatmeal, but we're just gonna put some in there. We're gonna make instant oatmeal. Says empty packet into bowl. We're not gonna do that. Add half a cup boiling water, stir. Let stand for 1 minute. So we're just gonna boil the water and pour this straight into our cup. So we got water in the cup, I don't know, less than a cup. Let's put it on the stove. I'll put that right there. See how it does? Let's put some more fuel on the fire. Alright, we'll see how long that takes to come to a boil, and then we'll put our oatmeal in there and enjoy. Alright, let's see how long that takes. Then we'll be eating oatmeal here. I can start my timer. Okay. Alright, let's put the top on there. There we go. Got it going nicely now, that flame right underneath the cup. See smoke coming out of the vent holes on the cup. And it's been 5 minutes, 55 seconds. Let's check it out. Oh wow, we got us a nice boil. Less than 6 minutes and we got us a good boil going right there. So I'm gonna take that off and set that down, and then we'll put in our oatmeal and eat. Fire's still going there. We got us boiled water, not quite a cup, but in less than 6 minutes. I should have checked it sooner. Let's do this. Ooh, that's hot. Got us the oatmeal. Alright. Let that sit, put the top back on. Right. Stir it up here. We got a little too much water. Supposed to be half a cup. You can tell I don't make oatmeal much. Tell you what we'll do, we'll just put that on the fire. Let it burn down. Alright, we're going to put that back on the fire. Let some of that water boil out. Should be fine and should still be tasty. This time I'll leave the top off. I just kind of want to get some of that water out of there. Put too much. Look at that, we got the 4 Directions Bushcraft stove going strong. Cooking up some oatmeal. Oh yeah. Good stuff. Oh yeah. Yummy oatmeal. Alright, I think that will do it. We're going to let that sit and thicken. And we'll enjoy our meal. Made on the 4 Directions Bushcraft stove. Alright, so let the oatmeal cool down. While that's happening, I'm going to go ahead and just end this video. So just wanted to show everyone this is the 4 Directions Bushcraft stove, and pretty nice little book stove is what I call it. Folds up nice like a book. Check out the links below, 4directionsbushcraft.com. He's got lots of good stuff there for fire starting and some salves and fat wood galore. So go check him out. Alright, appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. Feel free to like, share, subscribe if you're not already. Hit that bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.